Hi, this is Alan with Ripperton Resources, LLC. Today I want to announce our newest products. This is the 2719-20 and it's the M18 Hackzall. We're going to announce two mounting products for this today, one for the Packout wall and one for a wall. Here are the two Packout mounts. We have in red and black. And if you're interested in a different color, please contact us. And we do almost any color that we can source. The Packout wall mounts mount to the Packout wall, just like our other products, where there are release tabs here on the top that will allow you to fully release the product after it's inserted. To insert it, just simply bring it up to the Packout wall mount, press it in, and let it snap down into place. To release it, you just press these two tabs in and it'll slide straight up and pull out. To mount the M18 Hackzall, you'll see that there's a beveled surface here, and it'll be the Milwaukee Fuel logo will be on the right hand side. You just simply bring it in and let it slide into place. It'll hold it. There's plenty of room to mount things on either side. If you have this over on the right, there'll be room to mount something on the left, and vice versa. And it just holds it in place. Very simple. Here's what the black looks like mounted. Again, the Milwaukee Fuel sign will be on the right, and you just bring it in and put it in place, and it holds the tool securely in place. Here's what the wall mounts look like. It's basically the same, except you'll have a hole in the bottom and a hole in the top of each one of these. These products will take up to a number 8 screw, or if you're using a metric system, up to an M5. It's really simple to mount the wall mount version of this product. Just take 2 screws and you're going to screw one into the top hole. And one into the bottom hole. We have all these products in stock, and you can get more information at rippertonresources.com. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, scanning, and printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials such as PLA and PETG, through engineering materials, nylons and carbon fiber nylons, glass-filled nylons, through high performance materials, and then all the way up to ultra performance materials such as PEEK. About half of our Milwaukee tool mounts are from customer suggestions. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you. We can work with you to bring that application or product idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.